Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Canva apps on your phone. So in here, I'm going to start by opening the app. So Canva can be used to design basically anything. You can design a document, a mobile video, logo, Instagram post or story, presentation, whiteboard, poster, resume, YouTube banner, and others. So if you want to make it easier for you, you can design something using Canva template. So you can just click on the search column at the top and just type in the design that you want to make. For example, here I'm going to make an Instagram story. Click on enter, and Canva will provide you with lots of Instagram story template, and you can use it freely in here. So if you're on Canva Pro, you can use anything in here, but if you're only on Canva free version, you have you have limited access to some of the features. I'm going to click on home again, and in here and in the home page there will be lots of category that you can choose. You can also edit videos using Canva. You can create a YouTube banners or maybe Instagram post, game presentation, and others. So in here, let's say I want to create an Instagram post. So I'm going to find a template in here. Okay, I'm going to click on this, for example. So this is a template of Instagram post that I selected before. So you can see the template is comes with default photos or videos, and if you want to replace it, you can just easily do it so by clicking on the photo or video and click on replace and choose the one from your gallery. Okay, so I've already select a photo, and if you want to, you can also change, for example, the color of the text or the type of fonts. But if you like with the result, you can just click on the arrow and click on download. So you can choose the file type, click on download, and that's it. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.